has now made a big claim using fresh CCTV footage, because they have been insisting that Vipin was actually not in the house at the time of the incident, claiming that he was outside. Now, this is something that the accused himself seems to be saying, that उसने अपने आप को आग लगा दी, and ये तो मियाँ बीवी के बीच में चलता रहता है. This is their internal private issues. Well, let's get in a word from Priyank now. Priyank, starkly different from what Vipin and Nikki's own son has been saying. He has been a witness to this entire scene when his mother was set ablaze.
See, Amitabh, from the very beginning, we were aware about the, few of the things that both the families will try to put pressure on each other, because the eyewitnesses in this case has been only a 6-year-old minor who saw his father throwing and pouring some inflammable on the victim Nikki, which led to her death. Now, after the family of the victim had demanded that there should be immediate justice, and they demanded that the accused should be killed in an encounter. Very dramatically, within an hour, we saw that Vipin had an encounter with the police officials, and then he was shot on his leg. He survived, and he was shifted to the hospital. So the claims also came that whether the Noida police was under pressure to do something like this or not. But on the court, Noida police has been claiming that the accused was attempting to flee away from the location. He snatched one of the service revolver of the police officer, and that's how this encounter took place. Now, counter to that, the accused family member of Vipin has come up with the CCTV footage where they are trying to claim that Vipin was outside on a shop. He heard someone screaming. He rushed towards his house. Then he again came back seeking for help. So counter claims have also come up. Now it is for the police official to actually verify the fact and the time of incident, when this time happened, and what would happen the location. But in this particular case, 2 people have been arrested, which include Vipin and his mother. Both.
Then who was inside the house when this incident that has been reported? Because when we speak of the witnesses also include the couple's 6-year-old son, who says that he saw कि पापा ने मम्मी को लाइटर से आग लगा दी. Well, these are haunting words that are coming in from a 6-year-old child.